Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have a magnetic charm that just draws others in? How do they do it? It's like they've cracked the code on communication. Today, we're not just going to crack the code, we're going to share it with you. Welcome back to our channel where we help you unlock your social potential and turn you into a communication superstar. In this lesson, we're going to dive deep into a groundbreaking sociolinguistic approach to communication. Thanks to the pioneering work of Buchholz and Hall, we now have a better understanding of how our identity and social interaction intertwine. Let's start with a fun fact. You're not just one person. You're a fascinating blend of multiple identities. And guess what? Every social interaction is a dance between these identities. Now, that doesn't mean that you have multiple personalities. Rather, each context and each interaction we engage in allows aspects of our identity to shine. But how does this connect to communication? Here's where things get interesting. Understanding and consciously navigating these layers of identity can dramatically improve your communication skills and social interactions. Now, you're probably wondering, that sounds great, but how can I do that? Well, let's break it down. First, observe how you naturally adapt your communication in different contexts. Do you talk differently to your boss than you do to your friends? Of course, you're tapping into different aspects of your identity. Once you become aware of this, you can start to consciously shape these interactions. Think about what aspects of your identity you want to highlight in different social situations. This is not about being inauthentic. It's about expressing the most appropriate and effective part of your true self. Here's a practical exercise. Next time you're in a social situation, be mindful of the identities you're projecting. Pay attention to the language you use, your body language, and even your thought patterns. And remember, practice makes progress, and there's no better place to practice these strategies than in our Explearning Academy. Here we hold multiple live workshops each and every week and offer plenty of opportunities to practice communicating. It's an incredible way to decrease anxiety and boost confidence. And you can sign up by going to academy.explearning.co. We're all about helping you reach your communication potential, so why not join us and take your skills to the next level? We would love to have you. We hope you found this insight into sociocultural linguistics fascinating and useful. Remember, you have the power to shape your communication and improve your social interactions. So get out there and start practicing. And there you have it. Remember, communication is the key to unlocking the world around you. The world is your stage, and every conversation is a performance. So get out there, flex those communication muscles, and make every conversation a standing ovation. And if you're ever feeling stage fright, remember, we're here to help at the Explearning Academy. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on becoming a communication superstar. Remember, keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep expressing. This is Daphne signing off. Until next time, Explearners, happy Explearning.